If you've ever been part of major construction projects, you might be familiar with the challenges faced due to difficult terrains. Have you ever found yourself working in remote and inhospitable regions while dealing with conditions like swamps, tidal flats, mangroves, sandy terrain? Snow, rains, or tidal fluctuations can lead to expensive incidents like equipment breakdown, project delays, missed opportunities, or even injury and death from unstable working conditions. So, what could help you maintain smoother progress, stay on schedule, and still not strain your budget? The answer is Durabase Matting. Durabase is a superior portable matting solution for all your temporary access and staging needs, changing unstable and dangerous terrains into workable and safe platforms for your equipment and employees. It is lighter, easier, and faster to install as compared to traditional methods. Unaffected by extreme heat, cold, or rain, these all-purpose mats are used across various industries like oil and gas, mining, construction, roads and infrastructure, railway, defense, and many more. MACO provides these high-quality mats across India and Middle East. Durabase modular matting can be reused, and after removal, minimal remediation work is required to get the ground back to its previous condition. MACO provides these high-quality mats across India and Middle East on rental basis and for sale, along with assistance in installation and supervision support. With MACO, you can be assured of your project being efficiently carried out with huge cost savings, safer work condition, and more importantly, meeting project deadlines. To order Durabase mats, you can email us at mats@macocorporation.com or also reach us at the following numbers. MACO, the trusted name for Durabase.